Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work-at-home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. I've had a couple people ask me recently if it's possible to make a consistent, stable income as a virtual assistant, something that would allow them to fully leave their jobs and be the present mom they've always wanted to be while still providing that consistent income for their family. My answer for y'all is yes. I actually think as a virtual assistant, your income can be more stable than a 9-to-5, because if you were to lose your 9-to-5 job tomorrow, you're down to zero income. But typically with virtual assistants, you have multiple clients, and the likelihood of you losing multiple clients at once is not very likely. So even if you lose one client, your income may be reduced for a little bit, but it's not going to go down to zero like it would if you lose your 9-to-5. So I think your income as a virtual assistant can actually be more stable than your typical 9-to-5. And I think a lot of people don't really look at it that way. That's why I always like to mention that. Now, the trick with having a consistent, stable income is to pick a service that is an ongoing retainer service. This is something that you're doing for the same handful of clients every single month. So, for example, if you do podcast management for 5 different clients, let's say each of those clients you had on a $1,000 package, that's $5,000 in monthly income that is consistent month to month to month to month. Now, I want you to ask yourself, what would that amount of income do for your family? What would 3 clients at $1,000 a month do for your family? Okay, so it is absolutely possible to have a consistent, stable income. You just have to pick a service that you're going to be doing for those same clients every single month. Something like website design or logo design, things of that nature, you're only going to do like 1 per client, so that's not as consistent. You can use that to kind of boost your income if you want to get it higher, but I still recommend having a service that you do ongoing for the same handful of clients every single month, just to keep that consistent income coming in for you. All right, if you're not sure what service you could offer as a virtual assistant, I will be covering all of them and really breaking it down for you in the free workshop coming up next week on April 18th, teaching you the 5 Ps to become a successful and profitable virtual assistant. So make sure you get registered for that at arianavernier.com/free-workshop, or you can find that link in the show notes. But I'm going to be giving it all away to y'all, teaching you exactly what you need to become a virtual assistant so you can be home with your babies. So I can't wait to see you there. If you have any questions, I would love to hear them. Please drop them in our Facebook group at facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama, and I will be sure to answer them. All right, y'all, thank you so much for listening, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.